Hello everyone, this video will show how to factor by substitution. Let's go over this example right here. To factor out this complicated looking expression right here, we're going to use u. So we're going to let u be equal to the quantity that is next to the b. So this whole thing will be our u. So let u be equal to 2x plus 1 raised to the power 4. So that means if we want the u squared, that would be 2x plus 1 raised to the power 4 squared, which in this case, our u squared is 2x plus 1 raised to the power 8, which is this one right here. So that from here, we can go ahead and rewrite this given expression right here in terms of u. So what are we going to do here is that this represents the u squared. So that is u squared. I got that from here. That's a u squared minus 4, because that's the coefficient of this expression. And then 2x plus 1 raised to the power is u. So that is minus 4u minus 21. So this is the one that we need to factor out. In order that we can factor this u expression right here, we're going to multiply the invisible coefficient of u squared, which is 1, and the negative 21 together. So once we multiply this, this will give us negative 21. So we're going to look for the factors of negative 21. So we remember that if we get the factors of a given number, there are two possibilities. The first factor can be a positive and the second is a negative. And it can also be the other way around, negative and positive. So let's find the factors of 21. So first, 1 works with 21, so that's 1 times 21. And 3 works with 2, doesn't work with 21. 3 works with 21, that is 3 and 7. So we're going to write down the first set of factors, positive and negative. We're going to rewrite this 1, 21, 3, and 7. But this time around, we're going to have the second set, negative and positive. So we're going to look for the values of these two factors such that when we add them, it's equal to negative 4. And that combination is this one. So if we add positive 3 plus negative 7 is negative 4. So that's the one that we're looking for. So then we can go ahead and say that the factors for this u expression here would be u, and then we get a plus 3, and then multiply that by u, and then we get a negative 7. So this is the factored form of the u expression. Now we want to factor this out. So what are we going to do is we will plug the u back in, which we define as 2x plus 1 raised to the power 4 back into each of these u, so that our factored form for this complicated expression that we have on top there would be put in the u first. So that would be our u again is 2x plus 1 raised to the power 4. And then that's a plus 3. So that is our first factor. And then we put in the u again, which is 2x plus 1 raised to the power 4. That's a minus 7. So this is the factored form for this given expression that we have up there.